Welcome back to the channel. So this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply to the University of Genova. So just follow the video step by step and you should be able to do it on your own. So here is a list of the courses that the university offers in English language master program. Agricultural composition, Faculty of Economics, we have Economics and Data Science, Management for Energy and Environmental Transition. Faculty of Engineering, we have Bioengineering, Building Engineering, Computer Engineering, Electronic and Engineering, Energy Engineering, Engineering for Natural Risk Management, Engineering Technology for Strategy and Security, Internet and Multimedia Engineering, Robotics Engineering, Safety Engineering for Transport, Logistics and Production, Yacht Design. Faculty of Mathematics, Physics, and Natural Science, we have Computer Science, Sustainable Polymer, and Process of Chemistry. Faculty of Medicine, we have Medical, Pharmaceutical, Biotechnology. So these are all the courses that is available at university for masters. So you go on Google, type University of Genova, just like it is here. You click on that first outline. So here's the university website page. Sorry, I have to translate the page into English. So just follow and then we'll go to the page is here to translate. I have issues with my computer. I don't know why it keeps because I actually opened the page in Italian. So I'm trying to okay, here now we have it in English. So you go to future students. Where it is written, it is inscrizione, that's where you will click. But just hold on, it's going to change into English now. It keeps changing back to Italian. It keeps changing. I don't know why. Future students, now registration. You click. You see international enrollment. That's the one that concerns us because we're international students. So you scroll down, trying to translate the page again so it will be easy for us to read. So now it's translated. So you see that pre-assessment phase prior to pre-registration phase not required to all students, only for non-EU student visas seen under foreign capacity for access to master degree program. So you click on that, go to the dedicated section because that one is the one that concerns us. For those of us coming from outside Italy that require a visa, you see magistral degrees in English. Click that, read more. So it will open up to this page. So please make sure you read this page carefully. The application just started on the 18th of November. So I don't know when I'll be making this video. So let me refer to it. To be starting today. If I'm posting it tomorrow, it started yesterday. It will end on the 14th of March 2025. That's next year. Please make sure you read this particular page carefully because here is talking about the documents that you would have to upload. You see your passport page, that's the biodata page of your passport, your CV, bachelor's degree, transcript, syllabus if required. So you have to also check the course if it's required, certificate of knowledge of English language of B2 level. Now, you see the next you will see the next place where it talks about if you had done your bachelor's degree in English, please alternatively charge the certificate that will certify your English has been the medium of instruction. So this one you can get it from your university. They will just give you an English proficiency letter, issue it to you stating, oh, this person did their course in English language. So read more and then you see other additional document. Now here, you start from registration, register. So I already created an account before in my name. So that's why you see here it's not showing it. So normally here, it will just show for you to fill in your details, name. When you open it for yourself, you will see it's very easy. Fill in your name and then they will send email and password to your email account. They will send you a password and a username to your email account. So is that particular details you will use now to fill in under this access to the UniGel apply portal here where I'm putting link. So you see what you see now, that's the username and the password I already have there. So it's just for you to log in with those details that will be sent to you in your email. It's a very easy process. Now, so let's open the portal. So now it's opened. So this is it. Though this page is also in Italian, it just keeps changing. I don't know why. So it's going to change back to English. So also read here carefully because also outline the documents that will be needed for uploading. So now we press. So now you're here. So you start here. You see, you still have the faculties of the courses out here: architectural and design, economic, engineering. You go to the faculty you want to choose. You choose the course that you want. So we are going to be using economy as an example here. Those are all the courses available. We're going to be using economy as an example. So see under the faculty of economy, we're going to choose the first course, magistral law course in economics and data science. So this is just an example. You understand me? I had to create an account so I could show you guys how it's done. So you just go step by step on this rule here and fill in what is needed. You see, fill in the details needed. You go to your residence, you fill in what is needed. You go to title of the study, you see type of diploma, school of school diploma. This is just like the diploma you have. Add your diploma here. So you're going to upload your document, bachelor's and university studies. You save. Make sure you always save. So you see here now, you go to documents, identity. Here you're going to upload your international passport and then one of your own passport picture. You're going to upload it here. So please also take note of the megabyte that is allowed to be uploaded. So here, these are the documents you will. Another important place where you're going to be uploading your documents as regarding your school study. You see now, curriculum vitae. So here, CV is very important. Transcript, please know that it doesn't have to be authenticated, or you can use any student copy of your transcript. Just upload it here if that's what you have at hand. Then your bachelor's degree, another title. If you have another title, of course, that you've done, maybe you've also done an ND before, you can also apply. So just here is just apply, download, upload. Sorry, upload the required document here. You will now upload your certificate of English language knowledge. I already mentioned that before, that you can get it from a university if you did your program in English. Upload your syllabus if under the course you want to do it is needed. Is recommendation letter, motivation letter, and then you save. So here is just maybe you have your Skype because they're going to also conduct an interview, but not for everybody. So it depends. They're going to choose on their own. So you see further information here. Here you're going to be imputing your GP. Please look carefully. It depends on most Nigerian universities. They put out most of our GPs are either 2.1, 3 point this, 3 point this. So if it's that, I think the first column, yes, numeric cumulative grade point average. So that's why it is. You fill it based on those 3.1, 3 point is the one on decimal. Then the second one is when you maybe there's also some, I've seen some transcript where they put the percentage like 98% over 100. So you see now on this second one, I'm going to click it now where you see the scale of, you see 0 to 4, 0 to 5. So it depends on the scale on which your GP is written. If it's not on the 3.1 or 2.1, the way it is normally for us in Nigeria. So you can also indicate it there. So here now you're just going to be choosing your BSc title. You understand me? So if you have a BSc in computer science, you're going to choose it. If you have a BSc in mathematics, statistics service, political and international science, so you take it there. Okay, that's title of study. Then here you have university related to the GPA. So here you're going to also click. So here you're going to choose your country and then the university where you made your study. Anyway, guys, so this is it. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I hope this video will be able to guide you on how to apply for that course you want at the University of Genova. Bye, guys. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so when I post other videos, you would be the first to know. Bye.